Hello everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. We've got a good one for you. This is a quick meal, but one that we actually were on a trip to Galveston, Texas to go on a cruise. And we went down to this place because we didn't have any food, and we're like, hey, what do you have? And they pulled out these. Well, come to find out, these are delicious. And you can get them at, guess where? Costco. So it's the Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl, and the one I love is the meat lovers. So you've got in there potatoes, sausage, eggs, cheddar cheese, and bacon. 23 grams of protein, and guess what? It only cooks in 3 minutes. So I'm gonna show you how that's done. First thing we do, obviously we take it out of the package. You can see what it looks like out of the package. And then the instructions are, you simply take your fork, poke some holes in it. That's it. Put it in the microwave and let it cook for 3 minutes. Okay, and while it's cooking, I'll go over some of the nutritional facts. It has 480 calories, and calories from fat, 330. Total fat grams, 37. We've got 23 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbs, and trans fat, 0. So in my opinion, this is a great hearty meal for those of you that, you know, are heading out for the day and you're gonna be gone for a while. It'll fill you up pretty good. Okay, here we go. Peel this top off. See that? There you go. That's a Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl right there. I take it and I stir it around a little bit. I'm gonna let it cool down just a tad bit, but that's about how much you get. If you want to melt a little cheese in there, that's something also you could do, is sprinkle that on. I also get a little bit of ketchup, put that on there because I love ketchup in my breakfast. So I put a little bit of ketchup in here, not a ton. And just mix it around to get a little bit of that flavor. Super, super good. For as quick as this is, like I said, it's 3 minutes just to cook it. If I followed the instructions exactly, it actually says to cook it for 2 minutes. Take it out, stir it. I've made enough of these that just 3 minutes worked and stirring it after, but you can do it however you want. But super, super, super good. So again, you know how I rate stuff. So based off of convenience and taste, I'm gonna give this a pretty high rating. Probably somewhere right around 7.5, maybe even 8. Again, I got to leave room in there for stuff that just blows my socks off, but this is really good for the cost and convenience. And on the go, it's great. You can pretty much do this anywhere you have a microwave and have a breakfast like this in 3 minutes. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg today, and we'll bring you some more as soon as we get them done.